Are you a tidy or messy person?
I am decidedly a tidy person, as I find that a cluttered physical space often leads to mental clutter. I maintain a very organized environment to ensure my focus remains entirely on my technical projects.
How often do you clean your home?
I perform minor maintenance daily, but I dedicate a few hours every weekend to a more comprehensive deep clean. This routine ensures that my living and working spaces are always in an optimal state for the coming week.
Do you enjoy cleaning?
I wouldn't say I enjoy the labor, but I highly value the end state of a clean room. There is a certain psychological satisfaction in restoring order to an environment, much like refactoring a messy piece of code.
What's the messiest area in your home?
If anything, it would be my cable management under my workstation. Despite my best efforts to keep things streamlined, the sheer volume of hardware and peripherals I use can sometimes become a bit chaotic.